Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. Today we are diving deep into Adobe's most exciting release yet, Photoshop 2025. This version introduces next-level AI tools, 3D design capabilities, and major performance boosts that will change the way you create. We will also explore how to integrate them into your workflow for maximum efficiency. So let's get started. First on the list is the Generative Expand and Generative Fill tools. These features are now more smarter, more adaptive, and fun to use. Expand your canvas and Photoshop will seamlessly generate new elements, whether it's extending a landscape or filling empty space with matching content. The latest Firefly Image 3 AI. So the results are more natural and convincing than ever. This is a massive leap for content creators who often need to resize or reframe their projects, saving hours of manual work. Now let's talk about the Generative Workspace, one of the most innovative additions to Photoshop 2025, and this is available in Photoshop Beta 2025. This environment allows you to create multiple variations of a concept at once, perfect for brainstorming sessions. Imagine working on a product ad. You can generate several design options and test layouts in parallel to find out the perfect match. With tools like Generate Similar, you can tweak designs without starting from scratch, making iterations lightning fast. Next up, the Improve Remove tool, which is out of beta versions, and this is available in the current version of Photoshop 2025. It's already known for eliminating objects like power lines or people, but now with Firefly AI enhancements, the tool goes further. The new version detects complex patterns and textures more accurately, giving you a flawless background even with tricky objects. You can manually fine-tune or let Firefly automatically select the best fill options. This tool is a game changer for photographers who need quick touch-ups without. The Remove tool has been also enhanced with Adobe Firefly, and this tool now works faster and more accurately. Say goodbye to distracting elements like wires or people in your photos with a single click. The AI intelligently filled the background, making it look like they were never there. Here's where things get futuristic. 3D model integration. Photoshop 2025 now lets you bring 3D objects from Substance 3D Viewer directly into your Photoshop designs. Whether you are adding 3D text to a poster or integrating product renders into a layout, this feature unlocks new creative possibilities. By blending 2D and 3D, you can create complex scenes and visuals with unmatched flexibility. So what do you think? Which feature are you most excited to explore? Personally, I can't wait to see how the Generative Workspace evolves in real-world projects like in Photoshop current version. So let me know in the comments what you plan to use first. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I have got plenty more content coming your way, from in-depth tutorials to creative tips. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.